Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 21. Today we will be learning how to play sounds or a single sound right now in C# forms. So let's start out by making a button saying, by doing this, we can say Control C, Control V, we can do, and let's name them play and stop. Okay, and with that we can then go and click both of them. So first what we're going to do is we're going to do we're going to include some stuff. So we're going to do a using system.media, and we're going to make a global sound player _sound or _sound player equals new sound player. So now that we have that, we're going to do one other thing. We're going to add the sound to our project itself and its resources. So with that, we're going to go to Solution Explorer. We're going to go to Properties, Resources, and we're going to do a file, add existing file, and with all files we're going to go to lesson 21 and we're going to click this. With that, let's save this and let's save this, and we're going to do lesson 21 dot properties dot resources dot alarm clock sound effects. So what we would do here is we would click it. We do sound player dot play, and we would do dot stop. And if we start it, and we start it, and we can play it again. And then we stopped it. So that's really all that is to play a sound. It's quite easy. You just do sound player, pass in the sound effects, and you can play it, and then you can stop it. There's a m_sound player dot, like you get the stream, you get the sound location, load. But that's about it. That's just how you play it. You could probably do a list of songs. As a project, we could probably do an MP3 player later on. But yeah, this is a sound player. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope if you can give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and that would be fantastic. Thanks, guys.